Good evening. This is Mrs. Brooks from Education Imagine Academy, and I wanted to talk to you about navigating Buzz. So, navigating the to do list in Buzz, students are going to log into the portal. They'll click on the Buzz icon, and then they're going to click on the class tile and find the calendar icon as indicated above. Once they click on the calendar icon, the calendar will highlight the activities that are due and Buzz each day. If you notice the calendar, there are yellow boxes for each corresponding class. Make sure when you check the calendar that all those boxes are checked and it will show all the assignments that are due on each individual day of that week for each class. So remember, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always reach out to your student's mentor teacher. Once again, this is Mrs. Brooks contacting you about how to navigate the to do list in Buzz. Have a great evening. Be good.